Control physical and logical access to assets. Purpose of identity and access management is the management of access to information, systems, devices, and facilities. Physical access or access to physical assets such as facilities, operational areas, and data centers. Logical access or access to computing assets such as operating systems, application programs, and networks. Subject is an active entity that accesses a passive object to receive information. Subjects can be users, programs, processes, services, computers, or anything else that can access a resource. Object is a passive entity that provides information to active subjects. Objects are files, databases, computers, programs, processes, services, printers, and storage media. Organization's information are all of its data. Control access to information are file and directory level permissions, database table, view, field, and row permissions. File and directory level permissions is managed at the operating system level or within a file sharing system. Database table, view, field, and row permissions managed within a database management system or a third-party tool. Systems are information technology, IT, systems that provide one or more services. Industrial control systems are remote monitoring control of utility infrastructure including electric power and distribution, water supplies, and sewage treatment. Devices are computing system, servers, desktop computers, portable laptop computers, tablets, smartphones, and external devices such as printers. Medical devices are equipment in hospitals such as patient monitoring and for pumps. Wearable device are watches, fitness devices, video glasses. Transportation devices are automobiles, self-driving cars, drones, satellites, GPS navigation, autopilots, air traffic control, and more. Controlling access to systems and devices are port-level access control, console login, remote console login, application programming interfaces, APIs. Port-level access control can be configured to accept incoming connection requests based upon their origin, such as IP address, IP network, or geographic region, as well as the port number. Console login is a physical or logical console controls access to the system generally based upon the proven identity of the subject who wants to connect. Remote console login is a system can be accessed via a remote console connection. Application programming interfaces, APIs, is a system or application can be accessed programmatically through an API that typically is used by an application that needs to access data or functions. Facilities are any physical location that it owns or rents. Controlling access to facilities are keycard access systems, escorts, guards and guard dogs, visitor logs, fences, walls, and gates, man traps and sally ports, bollards and crash gates. Keycard access systems control which persons are permitted to access. Visitors and subjects with lower security clearances may be escorted by other personnel. Guards and guard dogs ensure that only authorized personnel and properly escorted personnel are able to enter a building. Visitor logs provide a business record of guests and visitors who enter and leave a facility. Fences, walls, and gates help to establish a secure physical perimeter and controlled entry-exit points around a building or facility. Man traps and sally ports are combinations of passageways and entryways that restrict access to an area. Bollards and crash gates control vehicle flow.